This video is about Yinker DisplayPort KVM switch. We are using 2-port KVM as an example. Package includes 1 KVM switch, 1 user manual, 2 packs HDMI cable, 2 packs USB-A to USB-B cable, 1 desktop selector, 1 power adapter. Plug in the inputs, output, keyboard, mouse, and power adapter. Now you can work between 2 computers with 1 monitor, keyboard, and mouse. It supports switching in 3 ways. First is by the panel button. Second is by the hotkey button. Third is by the wired desktop selector. For more information, please contact Yinker customer service.